Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story, and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today, I'm taking a hands-on look at the Amazfit Active Max, the newest and most premium-looking model in Amazfit's Active series, designed for users who want a larger smartwatch with a better screen, stronger battery life, and a more complete health and fitness experience, all while keeping the price affordable at around $160. Positioned between the Active 2 and the Balance 2, the Active Max immediately stands out as the biggest model in the Active lineup so far, offering a more robust and confident presence on the wrist. Out of the box, the Amazfit Active Max comes in Amazfit's familiar white packaging, featuring a clean product image and name on the front, with a simple and practical unboxing experience that includes the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable, and a user manual, which is minimal but perfectly in line with Amazfit's focus on everyday usability. Once on the wrist, the larger size becomes obvious, as the watch measures over 0.55 inches thick, giving it a solid and substantial feel that works best for users with wrist circumferences of around 6.3 inches or more. The top frame is made of aluminum, while the bottom housing uses durable plastic, both finished in a matte texture that feels sturdy, resists fingerprints, and holds up well during workouts. Build quality is excellent for the price, with no creaking or looseness, and everything feels tightly assembled. One thoughtful design detail is the dual pivot strap attachment system, which allows the silicone strap to naturally hug the wrist during movement, improving comfort and stability during intense workouts and reducing unwanted shifting. Instead of a raised bezel, the hour markers are printed beneath the glass, giving the watch a more traditional analog watch appearance, while maintaining a modern smart aesthetic. The perforated silicone strap improves airflow, making it more comfortable for long wear or high-intensity training sessions. The physical buttons are compact and unobtrusive, featuring subtle blue and red accents that make them easy to identify by touch, while the speaker and microphone are neatly arranged on one side to keep the design visually balanced. On the back, Amazfit equips the Active Max with its latest BioTracker 6.0 sensor array, along with a centrally positioned magnetic charging connector. The display is one of the strongest highlights of the Amazfit Active Max, featuring a 1.5-inch AMOLED panel with a sharp 480 by 480 resolution, resulting in a pixel density of around 323 pixels per inch, which makes text, icons, and workout data look incredibly crisp and vibrant. Colors are rich, contrast is deep, and viewing angles are excellent. But the real standout is the peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, allowing the screen to remain clearly visible, even under direct sunlight during outdoor runs or cycling sessions. The watch also supports always-on display, which is especially useful for quick time checks without waking the screen. And the 2.5D curved tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating provides smooth, responsive touch interactions with no noticeable lag or stutter. Internally, the Amazfit Active Max comes with 4 GB of storage, with about 2 GB available for users to store music, offline maps, and workout routes directly on the watch, making it ideal for phone-free training sessions. Health tracking is handled by the BioTracker 6.0 system, offering continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep tracking, stress analysis, and Amazfit's BioCharge Health scoring, all presented clearly and updated quickly throughout the day. GPS performance relies on single-band positioning with support for offline maps and on-watch route display, delivering reliable and stable tracking for most outdoor activities. Software-wise, the watch runs Zeppos, which feels smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable, offering a wide selection of watch faces, access to a growing app ecosystem, and fast data syncing through the Zepp Companion app, along with Zepp Flow voice assistant support for quicker interactions. Notifications are another strong point, with full message, content, images, and third-party app alerts displaying properly without encoding issues, especially when paired with Android devices. Finally, battery life is where the Amazfit Active Max truly excels. Thanks to its massive 658 mAh battery, delivering over 20 days of real-world usage even with always-on display enabled, making it an outstanding choice for users who value long endurance, large displays, and reliable health tracking in a single smartwatch.